Hey everybody in CNC Router Tips group on Facebook. It's Bill again. I am at Stepcraft checking out the new Stepcraft machine. This is the Q204. It's a 2-foot by 4-foot machine. And we've got past guest from our show, Eric Royer, who is the CEO here at Stepcraft. And let's see if we can both get in the picture here.
Hey everybody, how you doing?
Hey guys.
Thanks for checking out the new Q series, Bill. I appreciate it.
Yeah, I got to tell you, Eric, I'm very impressed with how beefy this thing is. You can't see this very well, guys, but that's steel plates on the side, and these are all aluminum extrusions. Maybe we'll walk over by some of the parts there. But Eric has been on the show before. You're going to check that out. And there's going to be more information coming.
Yep. Yeah, we'll have more information. The Q series machine should be on our website hopefully in the next week or so, and at least the Q204. So that's a 2x4-foot machine, and then by end of October we should have the 4x4-foot and the 4x8-foot machines that'll be out there. So we're pretty excited about it.
Yeah, very cool. Let's run over by the extrusions here. So we'll take a peek over. Yeah, it might be better on the other side. Real quick. I'm going to switch the camera view for you to see what's in front of us as we're walking over.
Yeah, we'll look at this is the X-axis extrusion here. So we take a look at this. It's pretty beefy. You're looking at about probably 50 pounds. This is the profile of the extrusion. So this is a custom aluminum extrusion that are made. There are designs. They're made in Germany. We're using a precision ground hardened steel rail that's actually pressed into the aluminum, and the rails are what the gantry and the X-axis will ride on. This is actually an X-axis extrusion, so you can see the pressed hard rail there.
And it's about 50 pounds worth of extrusion.
Yeah, it's at least 50 pounds. Yeah, and this is only for the 2-foot machine. So, and then you take a look at.
Show them the Z-axis.
Yeah, so this is an extrusion for the Z-axis. So this is probably 30 pounds, but same thing. It's a custom extrusion, hardened steel rails pressed in on either side. So that's what the tracks ride along. Kind of a custom design for us. It's pretty unique. It's extremely smooth and very precise. So this is the raw material for the Z-axis, and if you take a look, we'll go over here. I'll show you. This is so here's a frame.
Say hi, John.
This is a completed Z-axis. So this is ready to go on the machine. So you can see there's brushes in the back, so no debris gets in. It's completely maintenance free with regards to debris falling in. NEMA 24 stepper motors. They're 4-amp motors that we're using. So this is a modular Z-axis. This will attach to the machine. These are the sub-assemblies ready to be assembled, and you can go over and take a look. We got a machine that's kind of half built over there.
Yeah, I don't know how much more space we got on this iPhone video, but we'll try and get as much as we can here for you guys. But this.
Yeah, so here's a machine. It's about a third of the way through being built. The gantry is already set up on it. X-axis and the Z mounting plates already set up. You can see here that we're using, again, hardened. It's a laminated steel uprights, very, very strong. 4-track roller system. We're using steel track rollers on steel rails. It's extremely smooth. Let's see, what else can we talk about?
Yeah, I mean, you really can't get an idea of the size until you put a human or somebody next to this. This is not
it's
a tiny machine.
It's definitely a big machine. One thing that's unique, as you saw before, is that it is a completely ball screw driven machine like you would expect on a machine this size. But one thing that we're doing is we don't actually spin the ball screw itself. We have designed these little components here, and what we do is we're actually just spinning the ball screw nut. So the mass that we're spinning is much smaller because all we're doing is rotating the nut, which is attached to the gantry piece. So this allows us to have super fast acceleration and very fast top high-end speeds on it. So that's something that's unique to what we're doing. I know it's not unique in the industry. There are some other bigger machines that do that, but certainly in a machine in this price caliber, yeah, we're pretty proud of it. It's a strong, fast, precise CNC machine.
Yeah. All right. Great. I'm so glad we got a chance to. I'm so glad that we got a chance to get together with Eric Royer here at Stepcraft and take a quick look at the Q series. There's going to be more information coming, guys, but this was just a quick one to share inside the group.
Yeah. I appreciate it, Bill. Thanks so much.
Oh, you're welcome.
Yeah.
Having a great time.
All
yeah.
right. Take care, everybody.
Bye-bye, guys.